everybody. I'm going to share with you at the end of this video some clips from our Thanksgiving Day at my friend Tiki's house yesterday. It was a glorious day, but first I'm going to share with you some decisions I've had to make that were not easy to do. This is my fourth winter on the road. I can't believe it, and I am so blessed to be able to say that. But it seems like every year around this time, something happens and it seems like I have to make a major shift and or get off the road. It has been true every winter. The first winter I made it through because Bob Wells and Jamie Diamond, Enigmatic Nomadics and Cheap RV Living, they built a bed for me and helped me out with, you guys probably know that story, but that kept me going past the first winter. And then the second winter, my friend Colvin helped me. The tubs and stuff that I had weren't working, and so he built a little kitchen for me and a shelf to put my tubs on, and that kept me going. And then the third winter last year, those tubs, I had a list like a mile long of things that I had to do to be able to drive down the road. I don't remember now, but it seems like there were 9, 10, or 11 bungees that I had to make sure got done, and they had to clip a certain way. And anyway, there was just all this stuff, and even with my list, I got to where I couldn't do it anymore. And those doors and everything fell out just one too many times, and one time they fell on my dog Nani, and I just realized that I just couldn't keep going anymore even with that. And so I had a lot of wonderful people in my life that pitched. Oh, and the solar, I was doing the suitcase solar thing, and even with my checklist, I would forget, and I don't know why, and almost drive off with it. Actually, one time I did drive a little bit of ways, and I would forget to change it all day long to face the sun, and it just wasn't working. And so people pitched in last winter and helped me get solar and helped me do a van build out. And my friends Brian and Cindy, I went with them to Texas and they did a beautiful build out for me. And then Robert and I got together as a couple, and we had to redo the inside again this past winter. I'm getting confused on that timeline. But the van build out that Brian did such a beautiful job on worked for me, but it didn't work for two people. And so we redid that, and Robert did a beautiful job, but it's not working. Actually the van is just too little for two people, and we have come to realize that, and we don't know exactly what we're going to do. We'll work it out together. But this van, it has to be redone again. And we got here to my friend Tiki's, and she was going to help me do it. And I just had to make the decision, I can't. It's too stressful. It's too imposing on others. So I am going to live with it for a while, and we'll see what happens. And Robert has all but moved into the car, and he stays with me in the van. It's just not working. But I had to make the decision, no, we're not going to spend my vacation time here at Tiki's redoing the van. Everything is on the floor. It's just awful. I don't even know how to describe it. And I am going to make it through this winter with this van like this. Robert's going to be going to Wyoming a lot. This summer he'll be going to Wyoming, and I probably am not. We've decided how we're going to handle this. And so I've got some time for us to decide how we're going to do the van, or what we're going to do to make it livable, and I am not redoing it right now. So we had a relaxing Thanksgiving. I'm going to have some relaxing time here at my friend Tiki's. Robert is taking off because he needs to finish his book so we can get that out to you guys. And I don't know what we're going to do beyond this, but I made the decision that I'm not redoing the van again this winter. And once again, I have to say, it may be my last winter on the road, and that's okay. It is what it is. Robert and I talk every week with my trustee, and we'll make decisions together. But that was a hard one for me to say, put my foot down and go, no, not doing that stress again, not redoing everything, not till we know what's what. So there you go, everybody. Enjoy our scenes from yesterday. It was a glorious day, and I hope you're having a great day too. We'll see you down the road. Up on my 4th winter. Actually, I don't know, that's not true. Start over.